Hey everybody, I installed this screen. It has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and camera front and back. Also install it with a trigger, so now when you back up, it automatic turn on the backup camera. And this is done. Now it's on, and it's also automatic transfer the content to the radio, here, same channel. To make the trigger, the backup, so when you put it in reverse, it automatic open the backup camera. To do that, you have to run wire. I will put a link of this tablet on Amazon on the description. If you see here, here is the backup camera. So I mounted in here and run the wire from the back, which is this wire here, and this wire run on the harness like this in there, and there is a coming with it, it's the trigger here, the trigger, and that wire is the gray wire in the harness. So what I did is I opened the harness from one side here, pull the gray wire, and then locate my backup camera wire after I remove the back light, and know which wire is, and then tap, and then put the wire in the other one. So in this case, you don't have to run this red one. You grab it from the middle of your wire here, and then tap it to the other one, which is the gray. My car is a Chrysler 200 2012, and the backup light is the white with the light green. That's it.